everybody, it's Dean DaCosta, the Search Authority, and it's tool time. And in this case, we're talking new tool time. This tool is called Alley. I'm starting to love this tool. It's a scraper, but it's a scraper that's kind of interesting in that it's simple, it's easy, it does a good job, and it allows you to kind of pick and choose stuff. So there's a lot here, so it's going to take a while. So first things first, when you open Alley, you're going to get this little screen here. Alley's in the store. It's right there. You're going to get this screen. What you're going to do is you're going to go up here. You're going to find the thing. It's going to open. You're going to push this little thing here where it lets you open Alley, and you're going to have a choice. Extract one item, extract multiple items, view save lists, help. Okay, I've got a list here. I put up. These are people that I did a very badly done because I misspelled the word. X-ray into LinkedIn for developer, Java, and gmail.com because I wanted to have Gmail emails. Just what I do. Since we have multiple items, we're going to pick the extract multiple items function. As soon as I do, as soon as I do, you notice in the bottom right hand corner, I get a whole bunch of info. I get different um, URLs and different pieces of information because I'm asking for this. And I picked suggested list extractor 2. Well, the problem is 2 isn't getting me what I want. So I'm going to pick 1. 1, now you'll notice we're back down here with the good information. So the first thing extractor 1 gets me is basically their headline, their name, where they work, all that. The next it gets me is the LinkedIn URL. Then it gets me the LinkedIn URL again, another LinkedIn URL. Then it gets me the meat of what they say, senior developer, Disney, blah, 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 blah. And then it gets me a whole bunch of more information. So that's cool. It gets me the information I want. Quick, simple, easy. I can now add these people to a list and then download the whole list. I can go ahead and just download the list as is. I can do all sorts of really neat stuff. Down here at the bottom, I can even do pagination. I can tell it whether it's an infinite scroll or next button. I do the next button. I can point it and push it and come back, and then it'll just paginate. It'll go page to page to page to page to page. Great. Some other things. I can actually name these different headlines. Like I can name this particular one the headline instead of A, which is what it is right now. Okay, great. But here's more. I can add and delete things as well. So what I'm going to do to start is I'm going to add because I'm just going to add. And the main reason I'm going to add is because when I come way over here to the place where the headline is, it's got all this information all in one big stack. When you look over here, it's not in one big stack. You'll also notice that it points to let you know what's where. So A is there, B is there. It lets you know. C is all of this. I really don't want that. Now, I don't know if this is going to work. I haven't tried it, but we're going to try it. We're going to add. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to update with just a one piece of Lou, look at that. I can actually add pieces of information. I don't need to add the entire thing. I can do Java developer. Let's see, can I get just this? I can, in some cases, I can add pieces of info. In some cases, I have to add it all. There's no way to go just pieces. But my point is I can easily get this done. So let's take a stop for a minute and think about this for a minute. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get out of here and I'm going to get out of there, and I'm going to actually sign into LinkedIn, something I don't do. Keep in mind, don't stay signed in LinkedIn. If you do, Big Brother is watching. If you get in and out, Big Brother can't watch. So just saying, just saying. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to do a quick search just because I just want to. Let's see if we can get one here. We'll just do Java developer. That's all I want. Don't care. And we're going to wait and wait and wait, and then we're going to get our people, and we're going to let all my tools get out of my way. And then we're going to get the tool down. We're going to open her up. We're going to do this, and we're going to say extract multiple lines, and we're going to pick which one. Now, in this case, I have one built that I built for LI search. But here's what we're going to do. We'll go down to 1. We're going to check 1, and then there's 2. We'll start with what looks to be 2, because when I look at 2, I'm looking at what A is. A is their name. I do 1, and I'm not getting their name. I do the 2. You see how it lights up? I'm going to do 2. We're going to come down here. We got their name. We got their LinkedIn URL. I like this. We got their full stack Java developer, open new opportunities. Hey, if you guys are looking for a Java developer, Aaron is open for new opportunities. We got their next bit of information below that. You got all this other nice, pretty stuff. That's cool. And that's pretty much it. You can add to a list. You can download CSV. You can do what you want. You can paginate, do what you want. Now let's go back and let's show the one that I decided to build because I like it better. There's their name. There's their LinkedIn URL. Over here, we got their little headline. Then we got their title. And we got all that good stuff. So it's a little better broken down. Soon, we're going to be able to easily separate the at. So you'll have the title and the company separate, all sorts of neat stuff. But that's it. I can, like I said, I can paginate. I can add to a list. I can do literally whatever I want. So if I push this next thing after I got my list, I have untitled list, create a list, copy data to clipboard, download to a CSV, and that's what you do. That's how simple this tool is. This is a simple tool that does a really good job and has a really good function and is easy to maneuver. This is one of them tools where I think you can learn it real quick. I didn't look at the videos. They have videos that show you how to do it. I didn't look at them. I just played with it and figured it out. And that's how easy it is. This is a great little tool. Definitely one I recommend. It is on the SSAR page. My name is Dean DaCosta, the Search Authority, and we were talking Alley.